So what you can also do is generate out CSV data inside of Google Gemini. So to do that, you can enter out this prompt right here. So I can say something like generate a list of 20 names with column first name and last name as a CSV data. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then what happens is that it gives me a CSV data, as you can see right here, just like this. So now I can go ahead and copy out this code. And then I can go around over here onto an application like Notepad and paste it out right here. And then I'm going to go to File and go to Save As right here. And in my desktop, I'm going to save this file out as sample.csv right here, just like this, and hit the Save button. So once I do that, now over here, you can see the sample right here. So now you can go ahead and open this up with Excel, for example, right here. And then over here, you can see the CSV data as a table, just like this. And that is how you can generate CSV data using Gemini. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.